tell you too.
Mommy, I know. Okay, you told me a billion times, I think.
But you haven't learned.
Oh, a billion times I also told you look at the picture. At the last second, hit the ball. Good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good extension. Time. Okay, go. Okay, that's a little bit off. Alright, do 10 more swings. Good hit. Last second. Alright, don't assume. Good. That's off. You jumped too far ahead. Fix it.
Always does it. I wish we could screw it into the ground.
Yeah, well, we're not in the ground, so we have, yeah, we can.
I know.
All right. Good hit. Okay, last second. Off.
This is my 7th.
All right, off on the swing. Look at the picture, last second. Good.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Is that good?
All right.